Hi everybody, and welcome back. It's the first video since Valentine's Day, and I'm ready to get moving on. I was really stuck on Valentine's Day there for a little bit. I love doing all those kind of crafts, all the little holiday crafts, but now I'm ready for a change. And I thought I'd start with something that's really simple. So those of you who aren't used to crafting, but you really want to try something, but you're afraid, this might be the craft for you. It's a really cute and classy little craft, and it's fast and it's easy. All right, so let's get started. So first we're going to need 2 Pilsner glasses. Now you can get these at the Dollar Tree for $1. You can go anywhere to get them, but why not go and get them for $1 if you can? And so the first thing you want to do is take the sticker that's on the bottom off. I already took it off of one of them, but we'll pull it off of this one. Then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take Mop and Glow. I have a humongous Mop and Glow because we use it on our floor, so might as well buy the big one and save a little money. So we're going to take a little bit of the Mop and Glow and we're going to pour it into our glass. You want to also have glitter. I picked black glitter because I know that these will match in different parts of my house if I use certain colors. And so I thought the black, I could move these around different places I want them if I use black, because black goes with everything. So that's why I chose black. You can choose whatever color you want. If you want it in your living room and your living room is green, then pick out green glitter or white glitter with a green candle inside. You'll see it's going to be beautiful. So let's start with our Mop and Glow. We're going to pour it inside our cup, and we're going to just, this is from KFC. It had gravy in it, I think. And so I save these things and I wash them out so that I can use them for stuff like this. Now that I'm using Mop and Glow in it, I won't save this one anymore, but because I save them so often, oof, this is dripping still a little. I usually have these because I just know that I'm going to use stuff like that. And I do have a rag here for if I need it for stuff. So I'm going to get it off the outside of my glass. Okay, so we're going to pour the excess back into this little KFC container. We're going to take our glitter and we're going to pour our glitter in here. And we're going to, I think I'm going to open the big side of the glitter and pour it in there. And we're going to shake that around in here. And I'm going to grab one more container. Should have already did that. I'll just take the top to a container. Okay, so we're going to shake the glitter around for it to stick. We want it to stick inside the glass. Okay, we're going to go all the way to the end and we're going to keep going around, making sure that everything's covered inside. Okay, I think I need a little bit more. Whoa, I'm making a big mess. Okay, so here we go. So it's going to look like that. See how pretty and shiny because the glitter's inside. Okay, so we're going to set that to the side for now. And we're going to go on to the next one. And we're going to do the same thing again. A little bit of Mop and Glow. In fact, you know what? I think I'll just use this Mop and Glow. And I'm going to do the same thing again. Shake it around, trying to coat the whole inside of the glass with Mop and Glow. It is a little messy. I'm noticing that this was not the right container for me to pick, but it'll work. At least my table is covered. Okay, so I'm going to pour the excess off. I'm going to make sure it's not on the outside of my glass. And then I'm going to take my glitter and I'm going to pour it in there again. And I'm going to shake it around and coat my whole inside of my glass. If you need to, you can always pour a little more Mop and Glow in. Hopefully you get it pretty well coated the first time, because I think if you poured the Mop and Glow in now before it's all dry, it'll wash some of the glitter away. So you're better off just trying to coat it the first time if you can. Woo, all right. So there we go. That's our second one. Okay, so now what we're going to do is turn these upside down. We'll set them to the side, turn them upside down. Okay, I'm going to just set this to the side for later. And I'm going to grab my glue gun. I'm going to close up the Mop and Glow and put that to the side. Okay, so our next step is to grab these 2 bowls that I bought from the Dollar Tree, and they had stickers on the bottom, but I washed them off. So they were also $1 at the Dollar Tree, and what we're going to do is take our glue gun, and we're going to glue them to the top, just like this. Very simple. You can use, there's like different kinds of cements you can use for with glass. Oh, I do need to grab more of my little thingies here. Make sure you put enough on there so you know it's going to stick like that. But remember, these are glass things, so they're things that you're going to set somewhere that they're not going to get broken anyway. So we're going to just put that on there and position it how we want it and set it to the side and do the next one. And you're going to do the same thing. You just glue the top right here. I'm going to put quite a bit on. I want to make sure that the top can't fall off it. Okay, I'm going to position it on the top. Now from here, we are just going to, well, I think we'll take and put our little candles inside. So you would put a candle. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Then you could do something like, I have pearls. You could put pearls in there if you wanted to. I decided I wanted to do some marbles. So these are something that I had bought a long time ago, but they sell them in all different colors at the craft stores. So like Hobby Lobby or Michael's, Joann Fabrics, they usually sell these little marbles. These are like misshapen. Sometimes they're totally round. I have some little ones, some big ones. I have a little bit of teal in with these ones. Okay, so I have a couple piles of them. I already sorted them so that they would be kind of equal in each one. And I'm just going to take those and I'm going to just start plopping them around the sides. Just make sure your colored ones are kind of, you know, spaced out around the sides. And then we're going to do it on this side. Oh, a little bit of glitter got stuck inside mine. You can always just wipe that out though. All right, so we're going to keep piling these in on each side. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Then I thought we would just take a ribbon and go around it with a ribbon. And I took black and white ribbons. I could either do a polka dotty one or one like this where it's more of a checkered one. I think I'm going to do the checkered one. All right, so let's set that to the side. You know, I think I'm going to just go ahead and make a ribbon like this. You know, like how when you tie your shoelace type of ribbon. You know, you could do an aqua one if you were doing aqua. Okay, if you decided that you liked gold, you could do a gold glass. You could do clear and gold little marbles. And then you could do a pretty gold or silver ribbon. You could do gold and silver. You could do the black with any color. You could do frosty color. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and glue the back of this and just glue it. I'm trying to decide where I want to glue it. I'm going to glue it right here. And then I'm going to make one for the other one, and then I'll turn them around and show you what we got. Remember, you can do it in any color you want, though. That's what's so cool about crafting. You get an idea and you make it your own idea into your colors and your style. If you like metallics, use metallic stuff. You could use seashells in here or sand. You could use snowflakes, you know, like the fake snowflakes. I thought about doing that. So just use your imagination. I'm just going to cut this off here. Glue that on. And here we go. So here's our little craft. I hope you enjoyed this craft, and if you did, please subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Have a great night. Bye.